Welcome back, everyone. I'm Shortcut Shari, and it's another Tip Tuesday. This Tuesday's tip is going to be real quick, basically just a keyboard shortcut, but I'm going to show you where you can use it. This is to activate Copilot, and in the lower left-hand corner, when I'm logged into Copilot, which is office.com, you can type in m365.cloud.microsoft, but they love to change that URL. Office.com always redirects, so that's my shortcut there. But lower left-hand corner, you can see that I have the premium license. I can also see in the old design you have work and web. That's also a good visual indicator of what type of license you have with Copilot. In the new design, it's not quite as obvious. I'm just going to flip over to the new design. And again, I don't have that toggle at the top, but I still in the lower left-hand corner can see what type of license that I have. All right, so let's get to the shortcut. If I have an email that I'm working on, let's say I want it to write an email for me, I'm just going to go ahead and have it generate a short introduction from me for somebody that I met at a recent conference. And there's my draft. Now, I'm going to have it replace the content that is there. But let's say I already had content and now I want help with it. If you select that, I don't have to copy and paste this over into Copilot to help me. If you just press Alt+I, that activates Copilot. And now I can have it, give me some coaching, make it shorter, make it longer, change the tone, all of those great things that Copilot does for us to help us refine our content. So that is an Outlook, but it's not just here that it works. Let's go over to Word. In Microsoft Word, same thing. I have a paragraph that I've highlighted. Now this was just some placeholder text. I'm going to press Alt+I, and there we go. It gives me the option to, again, help me refine the content. So anywhere you're at, select your content, press Alt+I, my favorite shortcut for the week. That's my tip for this week. I'll be back next week with another great tip. In the meantime, check out the great events that we have coming up. And until next time, I'm Shortcut Shari, and it's my job to make your job easier.